Welcome to the world of software testing, the backbone of quality software development. In today's hyper-digital world, software touches every aspect of our lives. From mobile banking to healthcare apps, quality is non-negotiable. That's where software testing steps in. It ensures the software we build is reliable, secure, and performs exactly as intended. Let's start by understanding what software testing really means. At its core, software testing is the process of evaluating and verifying that a software product does what it's supposed to do. It's not just about finding bugs, it's about building confidence in the software. It includes validation, verification, and quality assurance processes to ensure customer satisfaction. Testing can be manual or automated, functional or non-functional. Manual testing involves human effort to execute test cases without automation. Automated testing uses tools and scripts to execute tests faster and more efficiently. Functional testing checks if the application behaves as expected. Non-functional testing checks aspects like performance, usability, and security. So, why is software testing crucial? First, it prevents costly failures. Imagine a bug in an e-commerce app during a major sale or a glitch in medical software. The consequences could be serious. Second, it builds trust. Users expect seamless digital experiences. Third, it ensures compliance. Regulatory standards in industries like finance or healthcare demand rigorous testing. Now let's talk about the CSTE certification. CSTE stands for Certified Software Test Engineer, a globally recognized credential offered by the Quality Assurance Institute, or QAI. This certification is designed for professionals who want to validate their knowledge and competence in software testing. The CSTE exam is not just a test of memory, it evaluates your understanding of real-world software quality practices. It's based on a body of knowledge that includes software testing principles, test design, test execution, defect management, and quality control. It's perfect for professionals working in QA roles, software testers, and anyone who wants to build a career in quality engineering. Why pursue CSTE certification? For one, it enhances your professional credibility. It shows you're serious about your career in software quality. Two, it opens doors. Employers recognize and value certified professionals. Three, it increases your earning potential and helps you stay relevant in an evolving tech landscape. To be eligible for the CSTE exam, you typically need a combination of education and work experience. The application process includes submitting documentation and paying a fee. Once approved, you'll schedule your exam, which consists of multiple choice and essay questions. The passing score varies slightly each year, but is generally around 70%. Preparing for the exam takes commitment. You'll need to study the common body of knowledge, practice test questions, and develop a deep understanding of testing concepts. But the reward is worth it. Certification sets you apart and gives you a strong foundation in quality practices. In this course, we'll guide you through every topic covered in the CSTE exam. You'll gain practical knowledge, explore case studies, and get hands-on with testing tools and techniques. By the end, you'll not only be prepared to ace the exam, but also ready to apply these skills in real-world projects. Software testing isn't just a job, it's a commitment to excellence. With the right skills and the CSTE certification, you're not just another tester. You're a quality champion, ready to shape the future of software. Let's dive in and begin this journey to becoming a certified software test engineer.